Hey guys, it's Jim from Insta-Bail, and today we're going to talk about our Get an Agent feature. Here we go. This is our Android, and it's running our company app. So if you're the company or the company owner, this is your Android. You can use it on iPhone. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you in just a few seconds the Post an Agent app running on an iPhone 7. It's going to be off to your left-hand side. And I just want to show you, so as you go along as a company, you'll see what your Post an Agents are going to see on their end. All right, so let's tap on Get an Agent. Here's your fields that you're going to fill out so that the Post an Agent knows what he's going to be doing. Who is he bailing out? This is Joseph, your defendant's name. Date of birth is not required, but you can put it in there. Social Security, same thing, not required. You can put it in there. Booking number, not required. You can put it in there. Location defendant is required, and we have Google API integrated with our system, so you can put in common names like Red Bank Police Station or Monmouth County Correctional Institution. All right, things they need to know about the warrant. Is there a filing fee? Do they need to have money when they get there? Bail source needed? Do you want them to call the agency? And here, let's put in our first warrant. It's a $50,000 out of Red Bank. Do we need another one? Yeah, let's do another one. There's another detainer for $10,000, and it's going to be out of Freehold. Okay, and if you have more, just tap on Add More. Let's go down to our cosigner indemnitor area. Here, we're going to put in our indemnitors. These are the people. And for every person that you want him to get an application, he or she, make sure that you put in their name. So Mary Doe, we need an application from her. Add more, let's put in Mark Doe, and let's put in one more. Let's say we need 3 cosigners on this. Let's put in Billy Doe after this. Okay, so they put in the cosigners on their side. It says they need 3 cosigners, and all 3 of them have to be Billy, Mark, and Mary. Now, paperwork needed. Are they just posting and going? Did you get everything, or do they need to get indemnitor paperwork or defendant paperwork? Select your insurance. If you have several lines of insurance, you'll see several lines there. This one only has Seneca. Next, we're going to do payment status. Did you already receive it by credit card? Just tap on payment already received by company. If you need them to receive some money, tell them what they need to receive. $4,000, then they're going to put them on a payment plan of $150 per week starting on the 1st. Okay, let's go down to our free field right here. You can write anything you want in this field. Next, right here is self-assign. If you are a small bail company, you and your partner are just doing this, you can assign this to yourself, and you'll have a history of everything that you're doing. Let's go to find best agent. Let's say you have agents out in the field that are posting for you. Find best agent. So now we found our best agent. Here they go. We're going to see miles. And you say, well, what do the miles represent, Jim? Well, the miles represent your position of your actual Post an Agent currently relative to the defendant's position. So of course, you want to probably use the one that's closest. You can use any one of those. The red means they're not available. So if this is your stable of Post an Agents, all your employees, the red guys are not available to you. The green guys are. Okay. We're going to pick Jim Fields. And that's Jim Fields' position right now. Do I want to hire him? Yes. I could tap on hire at the bottom and I'll hire him. Over here on the left-hand side, I'm bringing up our iOS, our iPhone 7, and that's the Post an Agent. This is what Jim Fields, a Post an Agent, will see once you hire him. So let's tap on hire. Great. Jim got a bail request. You see that new flag over there? Let's switch it. Great. Tap on bail request. Watchdog needs me. Now, Watchdog needs me to go get Joseph Doe, 50,010 out of Seneca. Sure, I have that. I'm going to tap accept down at the bottom. And now I'm off to the races. I'm going to do a posting for Watchdog bail bonds. I'm going to draw your attention back to the left-hand side, the company agent app. You see the 3rd tab down, get an agent, self-assign, track an agent. Tap on that. We're going to tap on that, and I'm going to show you. You can track your agents whenever they're on a job for you. You can track them real time. Okay, it's just like those taxi apps. I'm not going to say any names, but you can watch them move. All right, so you can properly tell your clients, hey, my guy's right down the street, 2 minutes away, because you know his position. Right here, you see that's my position. If I were moving, you would see that blue dot moving. And you could tell where he's going. He's making a right on this street, making a left on that street, okay? Let's go back to the center, our Post an Agent app. You see that flag in the middle? That's the defendant flag. At any time, the Post an Agent can tap on that flag and refresh his memory on the details of this post. So we're going to tap on that defendant flag right now. Here we go. So right here again, if I forgot, oh, I'm going to Monmouth County Correctional Institution, I got to make sure I call Mary Doe or Mark Doe or Bill Doe when I get there. All right. Cool thing about this app, if your posting agent doesn't know how to get to his location, all he has to do is tap on the Monmouth County Correctional Institution. It'll use the GPS app within his phone to take him there. Isn't that cool? All right. Now let's say he wants to call mom. Tap on mom's number. There we go. He can call mom through the app. All right, so now we have arrived. Let's say we got there and we hit arrive at the bottom. Arrive. These are all the information. This is all the information that your posting agent is going to need to put in. This is important information, ladies and gentlemen. Your agents are reporting to you immediately. Here are the power numbers that they're using. This is the amount of money that they're going to receive. Here are the pictures. And later on, I'm going to show you how we actually put in information about the whole PDF of the whole file. Let's put in our defendant. That's me with my silly glasses on. We can choose from gallery. Let's put in the cosigner. Let's put me in there again. And now we're down to adding more information. See that add photo right there? You can add as many photos and or PDFs as you wish. So I have all of our guys that are part of the Insta-Bail Posting Agent service, which we provide a service to companies in different states. Currently in our New Jersey, all of our companies that are using us, we have posting agents that are out there assigned to them and appointed to their sureties. So they now have a stable of posting agents throughout the state. The bail company bail owner doesn't have to leave. And in New Jersey, as you know, bail has been, let's say, depleted by 75%. So a lot of our companies, they have other things that they're doing. Maybe they're flipping homes or they're doing something else. They're doing some other type of sales. But they want to continue to do bail. They have a license to do it, and it's very profitable for them. So why not keep your license? And here, they could be out on location flipping a home, take a call from a defendant or a cosigner, and just send an agent. But getting back to what that means is this posting agent can actually have a PDF attached to this. All of our posting agents have to use Cam Scanner, and they take pictures of every document to include the application, recog, face sheets they don't even let you take from the jails. All of that they put into a PDF and they attach to this file. So you have everything. You basically have a virtual file. You no longer have to wait for your defendants to come report every week. I mean, your posting agent to come and report every week. You don't have to wait for them in larger states. They mail it in every 2 weeks. Don't worry about it. You're gonna know everything they just did, and you're gonna have a virtual file of everything that they have in that physical folder. You'll have it as soon as he hits complete. So let's write in some comments here. Cool. And let's hit complete. There's a brief little summary of everything that he's done. He's going to hit submit. And then we're going to move over. Let's go to our company app. So the company app, he's done. You want to see what he just did. Go down to your history tab. Tap history. All posting agent transactions. Let's tap our defendant, Joseph Doe. And there's the agent detail. You know who posted for you. Here's all the information that he did for you. This is what you asked of him. And at the bottom, there's a power number. That's how much money you receive. Complete. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to use my iPhone since it's my primary phone. That's where all of my email. I don't want you to get confused. That company on the left-hand side was the Android device. My emails come in through my iPhone, so I'm going to use my iPhone right now, even though I'm running the Posting Agent app on it. So I'm going to go to my emails. So as the company, just want to show you what it looks like. When I get that email, there it is. It was instant. There we go. We have all the summary of the information there. And we have a picture of the cosigner. We have a picture of the defendant. And we have our PDF at the bottom. Isn't that cool? Now, we have some integrations with Capterra and Bail Books so that all that information you just received is automatically going to be attached within your account with them. So we all know that we don't always put all our pictures in there. We don't always attach all of our documents to it and everything we have. Well, this does it for you. That integration will be coming soon. We're working on that now. But let's say you don't have bail books or Capterra. And let's say you really never really wanted to have them. I would suggest that you do have either one of those just to run your office. It's really cool. But if you don't, you can run your office right off of our software right here. You can run a report straight from here. There is a web page for this, so that when you're at the office in your desk, you don't have to use your mobile all the time. Just go into your web page, log in. You can do everything you just saw, plus there's a couple more features there because that's your admin. You can add as many emails as possible. You can add, let's say you want you to be notified, so put your email address in. Let's say you want your administrator to be notified, put her email or his email address in there. Let's say you want your surety or your GA to be notified at the same time. Let's say you want your surety. You can have as many emails and that's going to get that summary and all that stuff there. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed Insta-Bail. That's the Get an Agent feature. Please check out our channel for all our other features and video tutorials.